So in this Questrade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin here on Questrade. So once Questrade is opened up, oh yeah, and by the way, I have a referral code down below in the description of this video. If you sign up and fund your account using the referral code, we both get money in the process. So that's pretty cool. But if you want to buy Bitcoin, I want you to go to the main screen right here, go to the bottom left and press on buy. On this page right here, I want you to go ahead and type in IBIT or IBIT. Then at the top, go ahead and press on that. So this is a Bitcoin ETF. You can actually buy Bitcoin through this, but buying a Bitcoin ETF is a very similar process. Once that is done and is selected, you can also buy another Bitcoin ETF if you want. This is just an example. Go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now on this page right here, it actually does show that Bitcoin, in this case, this Bitcoin ETF, actually is available for fractional shares. So where it says buy right here, you can go ahead and make sure that is selected. Where it says limit, you can go ahead and do market order right here, and you can actually go ahead and type in an amount. So if you wanted to do $5 for an example, it'll show you the share, and you can go to the bottom and once again press on review your order if everything looks good to you, and you can go ahead and proceed out with the transaction. So there actually should be a way to get IBIT as well in Canadian dollars if I'm not mistaken. So type in IBIT right here and go to where it says ibit.to. It's the exact same thing, it's just in Canadian dollars. So once again, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then you can go ahead and confirm the transaction this way if everything looks good to you. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Bitcoin here on Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.